guys, we're at FiliFest and today we're doing a Filipino cooking challenge. So we have the ingredients, but we don't have the recipe.
You can make kwek-kwek.
Kwek-kwek, coming right up. Quail eggs. It's what you use for kwek-kwek, is that right? I thought kwek-kwek was fish.
That's fishbowl.
Yeah, no. My little brain.
The goods.
I don't know what your excuse is, but my excuse is like my dad would always like cook for us, or like my mom, so I never had the opportunity to cook Filipino food. And like whenever I cook Filipino food, I just divert away from it. Like I've never made Filipino food properly.
In uni?
No, I lived at home, so I've never had to cook really.
I know how to cook like a few dishes. I know how to cook sinigang, spaghetti, lumpia. That's about it. I think because like my mom loves cooking. They do the groceries, so whatever's there is for like a dish that they've already thought of making. And I don't know, I love spaghetti, so I always cook it all the time.
Well, no, I just tried out everything. I looked up like recipes. At uni, I had free time. I was like, oh, let me try out some other recipes. So I tried adobo, I tried chicken afritada, I tried sinigang, I even tried pancit. That failed, but I got something out of it. After that, you just keep exploring and you get to try out some new things.
For starters, we're doing kwek-kwek. For main, we're doing adobo. Fun fact, we have never made adobo before. This is our main head of chef.
He'll give us like 3 chances.
I'm scared for my life for this.
Three chances where he can intervene.
Because he's
But
the
just
only
to
one
say
making it.
something,
For
yeah.
safety. And our last one is dessert. Or Rica's making ube ice cream. Prayers.
That's what the guy said.
I thought it was being nice to us. Because like, you should pray after you make the food.
No, before you make the food.
I was like, oh, thank you, I will. But then I realized, oh.
It's like, why?
It's because he's worried.
Sorrows, prayers.
Oh, and you're also making fried rice.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm making
Bonus.
The hardest dish.
He's making
fried
fried
rice.
hardest dish.
Yeah.
First things first, get out.
Okay, let's go.
Okay,
I just have the ingredients.
but you just don't know what to do.
Sorry, I didn't even do the ingredients properly.
What? What did they do?
Ube flavoring extract and ube powder.
Oh.
Oh no.
Well, we are using ube halaya, and Mama Sons uses ube halaya, so we're going to do that. So even my recipe is wrong, but it's okay.
She's improvising from the start.
No batch. Think again. Don't do it.
So think about it. It's two sweet things already. You've got condensed milk as well. That's adding the sweetener. Is that a lot of sugar?
Why are you stressing out?
No, I'm just saying.
Yeah, I was planning to just like, just put a spoonful or something.
Or maybe like judge by the color after you mix it. Found ube flavor and pink flavoring. So it will turn this pale mess into something purple.
I think
I have no say in
Why are
this.
you putting red?
I didn't say
it's pink.
anything.
Tastes like ube.
It's good.
Does it taste like ube?
Yeah, it does.
Oh yeah.
We'll try.
Oh.
What do you think? More or something?
That's perfect.
It's perfect?
Yeah, you don't want it's not too
It's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet. You don't want it too overpowering.
See? Ice cream!
Yeah.
Sorted!
Alexa,
Alexa.
play more music. Does she understand Tagalog? I'm so dead.
I'm such an amateur.
I'm gonna be making tonkotsu ramen. This is the ingredients, right? So there's nothing mushrooms, seaweed, some tofu, and then this is the ramen I'm gonna be using.
Don't film me. I'm crying right now.
Don't film it. This is content.
No.
Who hurt you? gonna cook the sauce first, and then put the chicken in the sauce.
Maybe that's what they mean by marinate. I know you marinate, but what does marinate mean? You cover it before you cook it,
Yeah.
right? It makes sense.
We're effectively boiling the chicken in the sauce. Okay, so we're going to cook the sauce, like make the sauce, and we're going to put the chicken in the sauce and cook it.
Okay.
That's the right way.
Okay. Sounds good. It sounds good. That's all?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That's 1.5 cups.
Oh. Oopsies.
What's this for? More flour.
The kwek-kwek. I think it looks right.
It's looking like the color, you know?
Cheese check.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it hurts.
I think it's fine. It doesn't look bad. And I think they would insert beans if it was really bad.
How are you gonna cook the onions and garlic?
Yeah, how do you put the garlic?
Yeah, I've been looking for air fryer.
I think it's fine.
Ninja's the best one.
But it's tiny as well.
How much
So
are
this
these?
is what
I have no idea.
It looks right. Like if you look at it, it looks right.
Yeah. Yeah. So I feel like we shouldn't wait for it to boil.
Oh, I'll put the chicken there.
I might go back. I was gonna go last week, but
Yeah.
Marinate.
Yeah, I don't think you should let it boil.
Put the chicken in.
Yeah.
Wait, let me take out this.
yeah, it's just full of like fucking stuff. Royston. Or
I feel like I'm doing something wrong, but
by Cambridge.
my mom always
£2.
You know, you
So I
can't
buy my
say
ticket.
bad things about someone's mom.
Yeah.
exactly.
You have your own.
Exactly. So
In King's Cross.
if anyone has something to say,
Oh, do you go on weekends?
then
That's her mom.
yeah, that's my mom you're talking about.
You have lots of moms. You have your own moms, right?
Think about yourself.
Yeah. I'm sure your mom told you something that's not right.
Squeeze.
There's nothing. Look, this is just.
Yeah, squeeze it. Squeeze it. Okay. Why does it not look right?
Okay.
You're not gonna intervene?
No, I'm not gonna. You told me not to. So.
No, but you have 3 chances.
Let's have a look.
Well, it doesn't look too bad after all. To be honest, this is just the beginning.
Oh, you boil with the garlic as well.
Yeah.
Interesting.
I would fry the garlic.
It depends on who prefers it. This is what I do.
This is gonna be interesting, guys.
I have an inkling that I've done something wrong, but I'm gonna ignore it. For all of it. Adding our second secret ingredient. Oh, it's finished.
I can't lie, that adobo is looking decent.
It looks good.
Wow.
Yeah.
We don't have a fair judgment because we cooked it earlier.
Yeah, it's gone down what's it called?
Exactly.
A point, you know what I mean?
Colors.
The colour is 10 out of 10.
It's cooked through.
The scent is 9 out of 10. It smells a little bit citrusy. That's not adobo. It's like about meant to be.
Comes off the bone.
Yeah, that's another 10 out of 10. Can't lie, that's really tender. You can taste the sweetness. So it's the right amount of sugar. Yeah, 9 out of 10. I usually have adobo like with less about or like less about at all. But that's my preference. So
But that's just a preference.
that's just the preference. But
How do you rate it?
overall this is a good adobo.
I'd say it's a 9. I just think that the taste is a little different from what I'm used to.
I think it's a little bit sweeter than
Yeah.
what I'm used
That's
to.
what I'm thinking. Sweeter or
Yeah.
something like tangy. I don't know why.
Do you know why it's tangy? Because they washed it with like lemon.
That's why.
They washed chicken with lemon.
That is why.
That might be yummy, you know.
Yeah. Every bite, it goes up a score.
It gets more addictive.
Yeah,
Addictive,
from
right?
10 to 11 to 12.
Yeah, yeah.
Good?
It's different, but it's nice.
It tastes like how I'm used to. So I actually really like it.
That's a really good compliment.
So it's actually from her area. That's the recipe that we did.
Familiar?
Yeah, yeah. What are you guys making?
We're making kwek-kwek. It's like deep fried quail eggs.
Pretty good.
It's really good.
Why is it soggy? This one's good. This one's good. Why is it soggy? Hey man. That's actually pretty decent. Yeah. Only thing I could say is the batter. It could be crispier. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, you still had bad things to say. Fake, you're lying.
9 out of 10. Yeah, no,
Liar.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Oh,
Rica's ice cream business. Wait, sorry.
The banana?
Yeah.
With the banana,
Sorry,
bro.
Oh!
Okay.
Yo, this is so good. This is okay. 10 out of 10. Actually, no, 20 out of 20. 1,000 out of 1,000.
No, 20 out of 20. That's still 10 out of 10.
Yo, this is so good. I've never had homemade like ice cream before, but this is pang, bro.
Taste it. It's
Hey,
really
you
good.
got your hair on my ice cream.
Got your ice cream on my head.
No, you got your hair on my ice cream.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Anywhere in there might be somewhere there. Who knows?